In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Wix emails using Canva. This process is perfect if you're looking to customize your email marketing in a stylish, creative way. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to canva.com. Once you're there, use the search bar to find email newsletter templates. Canva offers a wide range of designs, so you're sure to find something that aligns with your vision. After you've landed on a template page, it's time to choose the perfect layout for your email. Consider the purpose of your email. Is it a promotional email or perhaps an announcement? Choose a design that fits the tone and mood you want to set for your readers. Next, it's all about customization. Get creative by adding your personal touch. Upload your logo, insert your text, and choose images and colors that best represent your brand. Remember to keep the email width to around 600 pixels. This is the standard size that helps ensure your email looks great across different devices. When you're happy with your design, it's time to download it. Click on the share button, then select download. You'll have the option to choose your preferred file type. Go with either PNG or JPEG. Make sure the quality settings are optimal for a crisp, professional look. Now that you've got your design, head over to your Wix dashboard. Once there, navigate to Marketing and SEO and find Email Marketing in the menu. This is where you'll craft your email campaign using the design you just created. To start a new email, click on Plus New Campaign. Choose a basic layout that supports image uploads. Then select Add Image to input your Canva design into the Wix editor. Upload the design you downloaded from Canva into the Wix platform. Once it's uploaded, consider adding clickable buttons or text links directly within Wix's editor. These elements can make your email more interactive and engaging, providing your audience clear paths to take further action, such as visiting a web page or signing up for an offer. Finally, it's important to preview your email before sending it out to your audience. Click on Preview to get a look at how it will appear in the inbox. This step is crucial for catching any last-minute adjustments or typos that might need fixing. And when everything looks perfect, you have the option to either send your email immediately or schedule it to go at a later time that fits best with your audience's active hours. And there you have it, your email is ready to go, created with Canva and sent through Wix. This strategy not only saves time but also ensures your emails are visually stunning and effective. I hope this guide helps you enhance your email marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and have fun crafting your amazing emails.